Okay, this is an experiment that demonstrates the Earth is rotating over an axis. There is only two pendulums like this in the world, and this is the largest one. And how it works is very simple actually, because the pendulum is suspended in a space. Actually, the Earth is moving under the pendulum. So the pendulum is not moving, the Earth is moving. And the pendulum is suspended to a dome in the center of the building. The name of the pendulum is Foucault pendulum. Foucault pendulum. Well, I hope you enjoy it.